In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit money into your Exness account quickly and safely. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, hover in the left side area. Go to Payments and Wallet. There is a drop-down menu and click the Deposit option. This will open a list of available payment based on your country and account type. Now select your preferred payment method. Depending on your location, you may see options such as bank card, Bitcoin, BNB, Binance Pay, Ethereum, and a lot more. So I'm gonna use bank card instead. Enter the amount you'd like to deposit and select the trading account you want to fund. Minimum deposit requirements may vary based on your account type and payment method. Review all of the information carefully and make sure the payment account belongs to you, as Exness does not allow third-party payments. After that, you'll be redirected to your payment provider's page. Follow the instructions to complete the transaction. Most deposits are processed automatically, although processing times depend on the payment methods used. And once the transaction is successful, what will happen is your fund will appear in your trading account to the processing time of your selected payment method. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to deposit money on your Exness account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.